The Constitution of India. Part 6. The States. Chapter 2. The Executive. The Governor. Article 162. Extent of executive power of state. Subject to the provisions of this Constitution, the executive power of a state shall extend to the matters with respect to which the legislature of the state has power to make laws. Provided that in any matter, with respect to which the legislature of a state, and Parliament, have power to make laws, the executive power of the state shall be subject to, and limited by, the executive power expressly conferred by this Constitution, or by any law made by Parliament, upon the Union, or authorities thereof.